everybody, I'm Akshera from the Part 3 of Impresiv English. Today I'm going to play a role of a woman given in the picture. I'm a home baker because I love cooking. Today I got an order to make a birthday cake. It's triple layer chocolate and coffee flavored cake with maca buttercream frosting. It's really a challenging order for me which I never had before. I use finest ingredients to bake this cake. Time is most important factor during baking to get a perfect cake. I have set the cake, it's very moist and rich. Now it's time for topping. I'm ready with maca buttercream. Let's start by pouring melted chocolate on a cake. Wow, isn't it amazing to look at? Then I'm decorating a cake with maca buttercream frosting. Oh, it's not easy to make a cake, but I love to do it. It's a perfect cake for a coffee lover. I believe in bringing happiness to others through baking. Baking is my way of relaxing. Now I have to get ready to deliver the order for a birthday party. Catch you later. Thank you.